Do you ever stare at your rental apartment and just wish you could change something? That drab wall, the boring kitchen, those outdated fixtures? But then you remember the lease agreement and your security deposit? Well, today that all changes. I'm about to show you 8 brilliant, totally damage-free hacks that will transform your rental into a place you actually love without upsetting your landlord. Let's get started. 1. Removable renter-friendly peel and stick wallpaper. First up, let's tackle those walls. Who says you can have a feature wall just because you rent? This hack is a game changer for adding personality without a single drop of paint. 2. Command hook curtain rods. Privacy and style are key for any home, even a rental. If drilling into your walls for curtain rods is a no-go, I've got a fantastic solution that uses a renter's best friend. 3. No drill floating shelves. Empty wall space begging for decor or extra storage. You might think floating shelves are out of the question for renters, but think again. Here's how to get the look without the holes. 4. Cabinet knob and handle swap. This next hack is so simple, but it makes a huge difference in a kitchen or bathroom. If your cabinets are looking a bit sad, it's time for an easy upgrade. 5. Window film for privacy and style. If you need privacy but don't want to block out all the light with heavy curtains, or maybe you just want to add some decorative flair to your windows, this hack is for you. 6. Shower head upgrade. Is your rental shower head giving you more of a drizzle than a delightful downpour? You can easily upgrade it for a much better shower experience, no plumber needed. 7. Command picture ledge strips. Want to display a gallery wall of your favorite photos or art, but can't put nails in the wall? Here's a brilliant way to create a stylish display that's totally rental friendly. 8. Plug-in lights transformation. Finally, let's talk about lighting. Often, rental lighting is just functional. But you can completely transform the ambience of your space by adding layers of light, all without touching the wiring. Thanks for watching. See you next time.